Okay, I want to share to you about how to make the stair with plugin with a play it again plugin. First of all, we have to select this rotated rectangle. Well, now we can draw in the surface. Click from here, and then we can set the depth around 300 millimeter, and then we can set the right side or left side around 1000 millimeter or 1 meters. Okay, then we can click this plane and just push it up around 170 millimeter approximately. Okay, and I will show you about the dimension for every single stair step about it. Okay, this is the dimension, and so you can see about it. The depth is around 300 millimeter. The weight, the weight of the stair is around 10,000 millimeter or 1 meter, and the height of every single step is around 170 millimeter. Okay, then I just wanna delete this one to facilitate us. Okay, well, now we can triple click and right click and make component, and we can set the name of the component around with approximately stair. Okay, and then okay, okay, then we can set the material of the component. Okay, well, now we can select a move and click on this corner, and then press Control on the keyboard on this keyboard, and then click on this position. Okay, well, now we can click the first object, right click and select the play it again, and then we can click continuously for the second object. Okay, we can click continuously, so it will be automatically create. Okay, well, now we can um, adjust the material just like this, and it will be automatically arranged. Okay, then we can also adjust the shape of this every single object by make insert or enter to the group, and then we can click this line, and then you can select move, then we can drag the line until this corner and then click. Okay, well, now we can get the result of it. Okay, now we can select duplicate, or we can make the another stair again with using this one. We can click from any position, then we can drag to the another side around 1 meter. Then we can drag the um, depth of every single stair around 300 millimeter and enter. Okay, we can type 300 and enter. Then we can push it up around 170. Okay, then we can triple click, right click and make group. Okay, then we can set the different material. This is for the spiral. Okay, this is a straight stair and this is the spiral stair. Okay, well, now we can click this object, right click and select make component, and we can type the name around spiral stair, then create. Okay, well, now we can click this stair step, then we can select move, and we can select this corner and select the control on keyboard and click on this position. Okay, then we can rotate it. Okay, we can rotate it by click this object, the second object, select rotate, click for this from this corner and click again for any position on the another side, click again and then move your cursor or your mouse until it could be revolve or rotate. Okay, well, now we can click this first object and right click and select play it again. Then we can click continuously for the second object on it. Okay, and it will be automatically generate for the same method. Okay, well, now this is about the spiral staircase with the play it again plugin. Then now we can easily to assign the material with the same material for the first and the second object over there. Okay, well, now I will give you another example. and we can draw again with a rectangle or rotated rectangle. Is depend on you. Click from this position, then we can type around approximately 1000 millimeter, and for the depth around 300 millimeter. Then we can click this plane and push it up around 170 millimeter, and triple click, right click, and make component. Then we can type a custom stair, and sorry, I'm typo, stair. Okay, custom stair. Okay, and then create, and we can also set the another material of it. Okay, well, now we can select this object, then we can select move, and select the corner and press Ctrl and press to this position, and also we can scale it. We can scale it and scale in this position. Okay, well, now we can click this first object, right click and play it again, and then we can click the second object. So it will be automatically larger than the first. Okay, so you can see about the how this plugin work. I mean, okay, it will be automatically arranged just like that. Okay, well, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you. You can try to exercise this plugin by yourself, and I mean it was a useful plugin for making the customized object and a customized generated object over there. Thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next tutorial in this channel. Thank you.